For a vegan tweak, swap in a flax egg, 1 tablespoon ground flax, and 3 tablespoons water, and then top with tahini sauce. This has been one of my very favorite work lunches. Very easy, healthy, and no reheating needed. And even better cold with pita pockets, tzatziki sauce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and scallions. Try it and tell me how it goes. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, like and subscribe, and check out my other videos for more quick Mediterranean, no fuss meals, especially for 65 plus. Another one pan wonder coming up next week. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until then, stay healthy and take care.